Mechanical engineering is quite a broad degree, so you're not restricted so much in which industry you go into. MEng and BEng mechanical engineering at USW, they've got a very similar first 2 years. The BEng is a 3-year course and the MEng is a master's level 4-year course. They cover all general mechanical engineering and they're both accredited by the IMechE, so we cover things like mechanics, thermal fluids, design, sustainability, materials. So we get our students doing practical labs, so they will be using the wind tunnel, they will be using our 3D printers to print something to test in the wind tunnel, they will be designing and building things, whether that's a machine or designing something to test out on another piece of kit. So they really love that practical element, but also the fact that that backs up what they've learned in lectures. So it's not just all theory. We always have students out in industry. I've had students on the far east of England, I think as far away as Portugal, but lots of students have been out to all sorts of different companies. It just gives you lots and lots of opportunities and they have fun doing it.